Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how to tune your 808s. So the first thing that you want to do every time you drag in an 808 or any time you want to use your 808, you're gonna want to right click it and you're gonna want to click edit in pitch corrector. What this does, Newtone tells you basically what note your 808 is playing on. So I know that this is an F. I also know that this is a G. I know that this 808's on G sharp right now. That's just like, you'll have to know a little bit of music theory for that. Otherwise, you can like go and look at your piano roll and see that this right here is F and that's G. So obviously it's going to be G sharp. Because you're going a half step up. So look, G sharp. So anyways, so you figure out what pitch your 808 is in, and then you go and right click it, open in new channel, and now you go to your envelope instrument settings, and then you're going to want to go down to the root here and change the root to the same note that the 808 is on in Newtone. So we know that in Newtone, the 808 is on the G sharp key. So we're going to go back in here and change it to G sharp by right clicking. Okay? So you right click and you'll see this little blue thing. That's how you know you've done it. Now, we'll go to the piano roll and play a C. And it actually sounds like a C. So now we'll play this loud Z, which is also in C. And you can hear the pitch is the same. So that right there is how you tune your 808s. Some other 808 settings that I'll show you guys. So one thing that I like to do is I like to edit this envelope right here. I like to take down this attack, turn the hold all the way up, decay down, sustain down, release down, and just like that, it gives you this 808 that cuts off exactly when you want it to cut off in the piano roll. So you see how I only want it to play for like a couple beats, and it cuts off. So that's really useful when you want your 808s to look maybe something like this. Yeah. Anyways, hope that was helpful. If it was, go stream my music.